How to create a list inside Habit in the Habits app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just click on the habit to which we want to add a list. Then we click on the three dots. Then we click on Edit Habit, and here we have a list. We click on this. Then we click on Create List. Let's say health. Then we click on Create List, and we can add this habit to this list. And then we click on done, and now this habit is going to be in that list. This is going to be important in this part, where we can just select habits based on lists. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.